from hemorrhoids, piles, fissure, fistula, or any similar condition of the anus which causes pain and discomfort, your doctor advises you not to eat red hot pepper in the form of chilies, maybe red chili, green chili, black or white pepper, capsicum, or many of the spices. Why? There is a scientific reason behind this. This is because all these red hot pepper, they contain one acid which is known as capsaicin. This capsaicin has a property of producing pain and heat when it enters into your mouth. So the moment you eat these chilies or red hot peppers, they produce burning sensation, heat, which is seen in the form of perspiration, that is sweating, watering from your nose and eyes. And to counteract, the body's reactive mechanism starts cooling this effect by producing more water in the form of saliva and sweating. Now this capsaicin, when enters your digestive system into your intestine, it increases the mobility, it increases the peristalsis, increases the intestinal movement, which leads to frequent stool. And you can imagine, if there are more number of stools, they will hurt your anus and you will have more discomfort. You will be surprised to know that the architecture, the physiology, the environment present in your anal canal is almost identical to what it is in your mouth inside. So you can imagine, if suppose you have got an ulcer in your mouth, or if there is some wound in your mouth, or there is some dental surgery which has taken place, and if you consume chilies or spices, they will burn. Similarly, when these chilies and spices, they enter into your intestine, they are not fully digested. Part of it remains in your stool and passes through your anus as a poop. So it will create the same sensation of heat, burning, discomfort, and in addition itching, pruritus ani, in your anal canal. Similarly, capsaicin is known to create bleeding, to increase bleeding in your anus, and that's why if you have been advised any surgery for any anorectal ailment, your doctor will advise to stop consuming chilies few days before the procedure and will ask you to abandon the same for a few more weeks till your wounds heals completely. Another thing with this capsaicin is that this capsaicin interferes with the digestion, absorption of bile acid. So the entire bile acid is not absorbed into the intestine because of this capsaicin, and this bile acid, when passed unabsorbed, undigested from your stool, it also have a acidic property which causes pain, discomfort, increased frequency of your stools, and will further aid to the discomfort of your anal region. So remember friend, if you are suffering from any of these diseases, hemorrhoids, piles, fissure, fistula, other painful anal condition, it will always be prudent to stop eating chilies in any name, in any form, anywhere, to prevent you from the different discomforts of the capsaicin. So I hope this will certainly help you in amelioration of your symptoms. My best wishes to you. Goodbye.